Oh, man. And we're back at it. Got light snow going on. Oh. A little choppy. I mean, we just got the jump built. It's kind of small right now. Use a high-tech way of measuring it with footsteps, so we're looking at about 25 feet, but it's a small 25. Eventually, we're probably going to build it to a big 25. But I'm gonna have to make a whole bunch more snow before I get there. Now it's cool. Got a whole bunch of rain in the forecast, you know. I'll tell you, winters up here just really have not been that great. When I first moved here, we used to just get snow. It starts snowing in November. We might get a thaw here and there, but not the storms we're getting now. Now it's just like we get some snow and then a couple inches of rain. I mean, the town's flooded twice this year. It's just been rough living up here. I don't know. Trying to do a couple woods runs. I gotta replace that shiv. Do a couple woods runs. So everything's looking on over here. Yeah. I'll hit this next one. Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be that's gonna be fun. Oh, whatever. All right. Super icy. Super icy. Oh, it's getting late. I need a shower. I gotta work tomorrow. If you like what you see, you wanna see what's going on year round, like and subscribe, and catch you guys later.